Morning. I'm at Chiang Mai International Airport and I'm off to Bali for, well, I don't know how long for. See what's there. I've not booked any flights after that, so yeah, no idea what I'm doing. We're going via Kuala Lumpur, so it's about 8 hours or something total. So yeah, we get to Kuala Lumpur for do about 3 hours there and then on to Bali. I've booked a hostel already. It's only £3 a night, I think. It's got a swimming pool as well, so yeah, that's not too bad. As you can see, I'm very badly sunburnt from a motorbike ride yesterday. Oh, as soon as I get there, I'm buying some aloe vera. I don't even know what airline I'm with. I better get my phone out and check. Might be AirAsia. Yeah, it is AirAsia. She just wanted to check the weight of my bag. So I put one of them on and I just left the other one off the scales. Yeah, it's supposed to be under 7 kilos. I think I'm on about 15 kilos. Yeah, I've travelled about a bit and not one's asked me for weight or anything. She was the first one. I was hoping to check it in, but it cost me extra. Yeah, hopefully when I get to the gate there's no problems having 2 big bags.
มันไม่ได้ปิดฝามาหรอ
Right, we're through immigration now. Should be boarding in 10 minutes, it says. Really hope they don't say anything about this extra bag. Yeah, other people have got 2 bags. It's just mine are massive. Because I wanted to save a few quid. Right, I'll see you at the plane. She's just been around with a sign saying 1 bag. But they always do that. See if we get away with it. Made it. Just gotta hold the extra bag down low so they don't notice.
Hello, hi sir, good morning.
We'll see when we land in Kuala Lumpur. It looks like there's a problem with the plane. It's going to be a big delay. We all have to get. We all have to get off. It's better to be safe than risk it, I suppose. We're going anywhere anytime soon. Right, as you saw, we all got taken off the plane. Something wrong with the engine. I don't know what it is. Yeah, they've not told us anything. They give us all a card to get back on the plane. Let's see if they fix it or not. I'm hoping they've got a spare plane somewhere that we can get on it. Or I'll end up missing my flight to Bali. There's nothing you can do about it, is there? You just got to put up with it. Let's just hope I'm not here in 2 or 3 hours' time. Still waiting. Still at the airport. No update. Been here for 2 hours now, just over 2 hours. I went and asked after 2 hours, what about my connecting flight? So she's wrote my name down. I don't know what's going to happen. But it's self-transfer, so I don't know whether it's on them to put me on the next flight or not, or whether I lose it. I don't know. Find out. They've started giving meal vouchers out, which doesn't even cover a Burger King burger. So I had to put another 100 baht towards it, but it's something, I suppose. Yeah, I'm definitely not going to catch the connecting flight, unless the flight takes off like now. I'll be alright. But considering there's no update, I would imagine it's going to be at least an hour, maybe hours and hours until they get another plane. I don't know. 3.5 hours later now. No update on the plane. Apparently we're still getting the same one. I doubt that. Yeah, she called my name over. Went and seen her. My connecting flight, they're going to put me on a later flight out of Kuala Lumpur, 8:30. So I'm going to get to Bali at just gone midnight, which means it's like a 5.5 hour delay. That's if they get me to Kuala Lumpur before that flight takes off. Yeah. So yeah, I'll just have to sit here and wait and put up with it. Now we're finally going after a 5 hour delay.
Hello, sir. Hello.
I'll see you in Kuala Lumpur.
Honey, 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 honey.
We're here in Kuala Lumpur. Not for long though, hopefully.
AirAsia pesawat EQ219.
Alright, we're here. Landed in Bali. Set off. Well, I got to the airport at 8 o'clock this morning. It's now midnight. All because where am I going? Yeah, that way. All because there's something wrong with plane. Visa on arrival. Is that what I need? No. I'm from UK. I don't need that, do I? I just need to go straight to passport, don't I? Oh, hang on, what's this? They're all queuing up for something. Pretty sure I don't need to do all that, do I? Just get a stamp. Oh. Right, I'm still at the airport. It's about 1:30 in the morning. So I've been here well over an hour. Done the visa on arrival, done the customs thing. Realised I haven't booked a room for tonight. My room starts tomorrow. Yeah, grab, I want grab, yeah. Second floor. I don't know why he's looking. What? How'd you get to grab? Through there? I don't know why there's grab drivers hustling you. I'm only going to order it on the app. Anyway. I've just changed some Thai baht into money. Only 20 quid's worth because the exchange rate's terrible here. I'll leave the SIM card till I get into town. So yeah, get a grab to this hostel that I've only booked for one night and go to sleep.